Hello everyone, welcome to 5th grade math, and today we're going to learn about Roman numerals. So we're asked, what number does this Roman numeral represent? And we're given this I letter that represents a number in Roman numerals. Now Roman numerals is basically kind of like a number language. It uses letters to represent numbers. And this is honestly kind of like using it, and you can see it on like clocks in the subway. You can see it in like fancy digital watches. And Roman numerals are very common to use numbers. Now, there are different letters that represent different numbers in Roman numerals. And essentially the only way to remember these is through memory, and you can't really like have a connection or something to remember it by, so you just have to like remember it, practice. I actually stands for 1 in Roman numerals. I means 1. Now in Roman numerals we don't have like 1, 2, and 3, like A stands for 2 or B stands for 3. This A equals to 2, that's not there. There are only certain numbers that actually have like letters that represent them. So in this case we have I equals to 1. We have V equals to 5. I know it's a little bit unorthodox because it doesn't really have any relation. X equals to 10. And you can go on and on and on forever. There is 50, there is 100, there is 1,000, there's so many more, but these are the 3 basic ones that you should remember, because these are the ones that you use on clocks and mainly on everyday objects. I equals to 1, V equals to 5, and X equals to 10. So in this case, in our question given, let's go back to our question, I equals to 1. Okay, how would you write 25 as a Roman numeral? So 25, before you guys ask, there is no number that represents 20. There is 10, there is 50, there is 100, there is 1,000. However, there is no 20. So we have, how do we get to 25? That's the question here. Now, well, we know that X equals to 10, and we know that V equals to 5. So maybe we can use the symbols that we already have here to get to 25. Well, we know that X equals to 10 and V equals to 5. So why not add them up? So let's try it. So we know that 2x's equals to 20 because 1x equals to 10 and there are 2 of them, so that equals to 20. And then why not add the 5 from the V? XXV. And now this actually makes sense because the 2 x's in the blue equal to 20, and then you have to add them up with the 5 from V, that equals to 5. So in total, we know that both of these equal 25. And this is how you basically essentially find the answer to find and use a conversion to try and get from Roman numerals to numbers or numbers to Roman numerals. So our answer would be XXV. Now, here's something that I want to explain in Roman numerals. Let's say you're trying to write 3. You would write I. But how about if you want to write 4? Do you write 4 of them? No, you do not write 4 I's in this case. In this case, we'll write IV. When a letter is before another letter that stands for something else, and it's less, meaning I is less then V. If this is true in this case, this means that you have to subtract this from this the V or the greater number from the less number. So IV would actually stand for 4. This is because 5, V is 5, 5 minus the 1 from here, and that equals to the 4. So you do not put 4 of these 4 i's, but instead you write it like this, IV. So in this case, we're asked, what number does this Roman numeral represent? Well, we know that x equals to 10 and that I equals to 1. So 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on Roman numerals. I know it was a pretty long one. Please make sure to comment down below any questions or any ideas for future videos you have. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Please make sure to subscribe if you liked the video. Have a great day and bye!